weather is turning out beautiful. Looks like a nice evening for flying. So the mission tonight is to take this paper airplane up and drop it and see how she goes. Let's give her a little test fly and see how she flies. So weather has not been very cooperative the last couple of days. It's been windy, it's been wet, it's been cold. But today the sun's out, there's no clouds in the sky. Looks to be like a really, really nice day with pretty low winds all the way up to like 5,000 feet. So it should be a good night. We're gonna have fun and we'll see you in the sky. So I got my gloves in case it gets cold. I'm gonna put this airplane here, we're gonna fold it up. I'm just gonna stick it right in that pocket right there. Alright, so it looks like a bit of a crosswind. So this is gonna be a pretty difficult launch, more than likely, but here we go. Let's do it. Woo! Yeah, buddy. We're up. It is chilly. Boy. Breeze really bites at you. Glad I brought my gloves. Gonna go right down in here, do a little foot drag action. Oh, getting it. Getting it. We're getting it, boys. Ah, it's so much fun. Love foot drags. Alright. Pop up. Alright, so we're at 2,500 feet. And man, is it cold up here. My hands are absolutely freezing. But, got my little airplane out. And we are about ready to drop it. Fly it away. So I'm gonna get it situated here. Go down to idle, so hopefully we don't chop it up too bad. But here we go. That is hilarious. It's making a turn. Oh, that's staying up pretty good. You probably can't see it on the GoPro. It's making sharp left-hand turns. I'm like doing this that spiral with it. Alright, I'm gonna climb up above it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It's down a ways below me now. I'm going through my own way. Down lower here. That is so funny. Oh, that is hilarious. Man, that thing is cruising. That thing is flying terrible fast. I'm gonna see if I can meet up with it. I hit it with my leg. Oh, now it's going in deep spiral, straight down to the ground. And that kind of hurt. That thing hit hard. Yeah, I think we disabled its flying ability. It's just going straight down. You probably can't see it on the GoPro. Oh, that was hilarious while it lasted. Pardon the sniffles. I got a cold, so it's not very nice. But my hands are freezing. So I'm going to pull my gloves out and get them on. I got my gloves on. And I think we're going to drop down into this valley here. So Whatever